Question 24. Now we're told that y is proportional to 1 over x squared. Okay, so this is inverse proportion. I'm replacing this sign by y equaling an unknown constant over x squared. Now we're given one point in time. We're told when x is 10, y is 1. So substituting that into this, we're getting 1 equals k over 10 squared. Obviously 10 squared is 100, so 1 equals k over 100, so k equals 100. So my revised formula is not y equals k over x squared, but given that k is a constant 100, y equals 100 over x squared. And now that I've got this formulae, I can work out my other values. So when x is 1 here, y equals 100 divided by 1 squared, which is 100 over 1, which is 100. When x is 2, y equals 100 over 2 squared, which is 100 over 4, which is 25. And then when x is 5, y equals 100 over 5 squared. 5 squared is 25, 100 divided by 25 is 4. So that's the completed table.